Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use a data entry form. Why do we need a data entry form? It makes data entry easy. We can enter the data, we can search, we can delete, all being done on the form. We can find the next record. How can we achieve all this? This is what we are going to demonstrate in this video. In the meantime, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more videos like this one. So let's get started. So I'm going to do a form which enters my contacts, that is the name and the email address. It is a simple form for demonstration purposes. So let's jump into it. I'll come here. Now I've already customized my quick access bar and I have my form here. However, if you don't have that form, you click on anywhere in the ribbon, right click. Now you see different options: add group to quick access bar, customize quick access bar. So I want the form on the quick access bar. So I'm going to choose customize quick access bar. The quick access bar is where you put buttons that you won't use frequently and you want to quickly access them. So you click there, it's going to bring up this dialog. You see on top here, customize the quick access bar. Then what command are we looking for? It's not among the popular commands, so we can use commands not in ribbon or all commands. So let's use commands not in ribbon. Now my form command starts with letter F. So I'll click on F until I see the word form. Now when you see the word form here, you see here we have customize quick access bar, all. So this is currently what I have on my quick access bar. As you can see, I already have the form on the quick access bar. If you don't have on this form here, you click on the form and click add. Then it will add it to the quick access bar. So since I already have it, I'll not add it again, but I'll just cancel it. That's what you have to do. And when you do that, it will be on your quick access bar. Now the quick access bar, you normally put buttons that you use frequently so that you can easily access them. Now the first thing I'm going to do is convert this into a table, and I can use Ctrl T. Of course, you can go ahead without a table, but I prefer a table. It correctly identifies the range of the table. My table has headers. I say yes, my headers is name and email. So I say okay. Now I have my table here. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is click on form. There you go. The moment I click on form, it automatically creates a form. Now this is the contacts. This is the name of my sheet that you see down here. So it automatically gives it this name. If I had another sheet and created a form, it will also give it a particular name. So, and to access the form, you need to click inside this range here. So now to enter my data, I have a contact called John. Then to go to the next, I use the tab. I say tab. Then I email at gmail.com. After I enter this, I press new. And there you go. It is added to my table. I enter another contact, which is Peter at gmail.com. It adds it to the table. Enter Mary, click tab, Mary, new. I enter James, say James, Control V, new, enter Jen. So I can easily enter my data using this form, unlike coming down here and typing one by one. So that's one of the advantages of using a form when you're entering your data. Okay, I'm on Jen. This is my last record here. I can find the previous record. You see it goes to James. If I say previous, that is Mary. If I say previous again, it's going to go to Peter. If I say next, to go to Mary. Next, this is Mary. So using this, you can easily find the previous record or the next record. So if I click new, I can add a record here, like so. At gmail.com, I say new. Now, I made a mistake. I typed this wrongly. So I can come here. I am not interested in this record. As you can see, this is not the name of a person. So I can delete it. So I ensure the record is identified here by using these buttons. I can easily bring the record to show in these form fields. After it has shown, the record that you want to delete has shown, you click on delete and it will go away. So you can see it has gone off my table. Another item we can use, new puts a new record. We have seen find, we have seen delete, we have seen find next. Criteria is used to search for a record. Next, let's demonstrate how to search for data. So if we're searching for data, we use this criteria here. So what is the criteria we're using to search? Assuming we are looking for Peter, we type Peter there and say find next record, and Peter appears here. If we want Mary, we type Mary there. We say find next record, and Mary appears here. So this way you can do the search for a record. Then you click on our form. If you want to bring back the form, you click there. If you want to close the form, you close it by so, bring it back, you click here. So this is how we can use the form to enter data, to search for data, to delete data, to enter new records, to close the form, and enter new records. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification button if you want to see more videos like this one. Have a great day.